Hello, and this is our recording for Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2022. So our do now in Schoology, and let's take a look. Let's go to, so my apps is kind of like yours. I'm going to click on Schoology, and I'm going to click on Science, and I'm going to click on today's, I'm going to Materials, and I'm going to go into, let's see, I'm going to publish these. I'm going to go into the do now for today. And then I'm going to answer the do now question, which is also right here. What is erosion? Everybody got that. Great job. Yep, it's the breakdown of rocks to eventually create soil. Okay, and it's the breaking, the weathering, the movement, and then the deposition of that material. And then, so which side of this mountain would you guess has the slowest rate of erosion due to gravity? Gravity being where it'll fall and things like that. Exactly. The side on the west side. So this side right over here. So here's our compass rose. There you go. All right. And that's how we label things. We're going to talk about practicing interpreting topographic maps today, predict weathering, and we can find elevations on points of topo maps, find differences in elevations between 2 points, compare steep and gradual slopes, and recognize where erosion will occur fastest and slowest on the map. So you're going to open your notebook to slide 23, and I'm going to open mine with you. So let me go get mine. Let me get my notebook up. And we're going to come down here to slide 23. And mine, it's slide 22. So you're going to answer the question in this box. What are topographic maps? You got it. They are two-dimensional drawings of a geographical landform. And contour lines, these are the lines where there's equal points of elevation are all connected. Remember, they don't cross. So we're given a contour interval here. What is the elevation, which is this contour interval, is the measured space between two lines. What's the elevation of A? Well, here's 700 and 600, 700. Let's take a look at that a little closer. Oh, so 20, 40, 700 minus 40, that's 660. B, that's 480 because I went 500 minus 20. Now here's 500 and there's C, so I'm going to add 20. 520, 540. You have to be able to kind of play with this a little bit. Remember, each one of these lines is, the space between these lines is 20 meters. If I was looking for the difference, you got it. I would subtract A from C. Between B and C, I would subtract the larger number, B, from C. And then what is the difference between B and the highest point? Well, the highest point here is 700. So I would take 700 and I would subtract my elevation at B. All right, now you're going to work on this one. How many contour lines are in the landform? Exactly. You counted them, so we counted together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 lines. So what's the contour interval? Well, I have 10,000, 500, and 10,000. So let's take care of that. So if I have 10,500, subtract 10,000, I would get 500. Now I'm going to take that 500 and I'm going to divide by 5 because there's 5 lines between this number and this number. You count. You don't count the first one, you count. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's going to equal 100. So my contour interval for this would be 100. Okay. I'm going to hit the enter there so it's a little readable. There we go. All right. Which would the steepest side of them would be steepest? Remember when the lines are close together? So yes, the west side. What side would be easier? You got it? That east side. And what does that X represent? Oh, somebody said it. The highest point of elevation. That's right. So you type that in here. And is this an island or a hill? Very good. It is a hill because if it was an island, there'd be a line here that says 0 for sea level. That's awesome. All right, now you're going to practice this on the next 2 slides on your own. Okay, same stuff. Contour elevation is given here. On this one, see, 300 to 400. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the contour interval is 20 also here. So I think you can do this and you're set to go. All right, friends, we will see you on Tuesday. Have a great day.